Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to show you how to change your thumbnail on your YouTube video from your cell phone. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Google Play Store and type in thumbnail design. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the one with blue, not that one, but the thumbnail maker, YouTube thumbnails, right there. I already have this installed, so I don't need to install it, but that's the one I use. So just click on it and then hit create. And this does have ads, so just close out of those. And it has all the different ratios you can choose. You can do, thumbnails for Facebook, thumbnails for Instagram, thumbnails for YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, all kinds of stuff. So right now this is for YouTube. So I'm going to scroll up and click the thumbnail one. And then you can use any of these backgrounds and add text if you want to, but I'm going to use something from my gallery. So just click on your gallery up there and then it'll have your pictures that you've taken. So click on the picture that you like. I'm going to use this one for my ocean pour just for demonstration purposes. And you can zoom in, zoom out, just take your fingers and, zoom in if you want, a certain spot to be your background on the thumbnail. And then there's another ad, so just close out of there. And now what I did is I hit the little T on the bottom for text, and I'm going to type in, whatever you want your title to look like on your thumbnail. I'm just going to say ocean pour, and you can make it bigger or smaller. And right down here, you can change the font. There's all kinds of different fonts to choose from. I'm going to use, I think that's the one I like to use. And then you can change the color of your text to, something that's bright and attention grabbing, or, just whatever color you want. If you click this little circle right here, you can make your own custom color, a custom shade if you want something darker or something that's not on this little color scale. You can click that circle and pick whatever color you want. So now I'm going to go to opacity. If you want to change that, you can. I like to change the shadow settings on mine, and I like to turn the opacity all the way up. That wasn't working. And then I like to turn the blur about halfway. And that just kind of gives it like a little bit of a blur behind the letters to make it look like they're popping up a little. And you can change the color of the blur if you want, to make it kind of look a little bit more attractive or attention grabbing. Now I'm going to add, I didn't like the color of that, so I was like, well, maybe I should make it a little bit lighter. So you can just mess around with the color however, you want your thumbnail to look. And then I'm going to add another line of text, and I'm just going to say demo. Now I'm going in again, changing the size. Super easy. You can make it huge if you want to. Make it super small. And then I'm going to go back in and change the color and the shading again. And I think that was looking pretty good. So just click back on your screen and that's where your text is. And now I'm going to add a sticker. There's all kinds of stickers you can choose from. They have categories up here at the top. You can do like emojis or nature. I was thinking there might be a nature one I wanted to use, but see the first images there without the download button, those are all free. And then you can pay, I think, to download them. I just use whatever comes with the free apps. I was thinking there might be like a fish or something, but there wasn't. So I'm just going to go back and add an emoji. So just click on whatever emoji you want, and then you can change the size with that little section on the corner there. Make it super big, small, whatever you want. And this is looking good to me, so I'm just going to save it. Click this little download button in the corner right here, and that's how you save it. And then, of course, another ad's going to pop up. Close that. And then rate this application. However you want to do a survey, go ahead. I cancel it. and it's going to be saved to your phone. So now you need to go open up your Internet Explorer, and you're going to want to open up a new tab. Just go to youtube.com, and a message is going to pop up, and it's going to say, do you want to open this through the app? And you say no. You do not want to open it through the app. You want to open it through the browser. So just youtube.com. I already hit cancel previously. I already had another tab open, so that little, message didn't pop up. And I have 2 YouTube channels. I have a YouTube channel for my son, so I edit his YouTube videos too. So that's what I was doing. I was just changing mine to Naptime Creations. But if you only have one YouTube channel, you're not going to have to click the other one like I did. So just click on your video that you want to change your thumbnail on. You can click edit. And then right in the corner right here, it's going to say custom thumbnail. And I've already enabled custom thumbnail, so mine's not going to say this, but yours is going to say custom thumbnail. You have to click on it, and they're going to text you a code, and you're going to have to enter a code and follow the steps in the text message to enable custom thumbnails. And then once you do that, it'll say change thumbnail. And then you just click on that, click on your picture that you'd made in your thumbnail maker app, and it's right there, saved. And then, you have to save it, actually, it's not going to be saved straight away. You have to click the Save Changes button, and then it'll save for you. So be sure to click that button. I always click it twice just to be, extra sure that it's saved, even though you don't have to. And then over here on the left, you can add tags to your video. So when people search up your videos, if you have certain tags on there, just like on Instagram or, Facebook, other social media sites, you got to tag everything up. So add a bunch of tags in there and then save your changes too. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do a custom thumbnail. Let me know if you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week. Bye, Naptime friends.